During quarantine, when there are no actual sports, one sport has taken the podium as the most popular sport of the year: marble racing. And at the center of the marble racing industry is one major YouTube channel, Jelles Marble Runs. Now, what exactly is making this channel stand out, and what do I think of it all? Before we get into that, I would appreciate if you would like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to stay tuned for future content. So, what does Jelles Marble Runs, or JMR for short, do exactly that makes it stand out? The answer: taking real-world sporting events and turning them into marble competitions. For example, JMR has turned the real-world Olympics into a marble version called the Marble League, of which the 2020 version is still ongoing, and it happens every year, by the way. In the Marble League, or ML for short, 16 teams, each with their own backstories, battle each other through 16 different events and get points depending on how well they do in each event. The team with the most points at the end wins the whole competition. An interesting tidbit about the ML is that there is a renowned phenomenon called the host curse, and it involves the host team for that year's Marble League doing extraordinarily bad in the events. Though, as of July 25th, 2020, the host curse is on track to be broken this year. Now, all of this sounds interesting and all, but what do I think about JMR and their marble racing events? The short answer: it's flat out crazy, but in a good way. It already takes immense dedication to build marble-sized Olympic venues with Olympic events going on inside of them, let alone make a series of well-developed marble teams with their own backstories. But all of this hard work seems to be paying off because of the fact that it's really the only thing that you've been able to watch for the past few months. Their subscriber count has more than doubled since March, but I might be getting a little off track. Point is, JMR's dedication makes it a seriously good YouTube channel to watch. For those who are interested in checking out their channel, the link is in the description. And as always, I would appreciate if you would like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to stay tuned for future content. Thanks, and have a great day.